magre-review ako ng lipstick. Yan, lipstick. Kasi guys, nung pumunta ako ng mall ng last time, nakita kong nakasale yung lipstick na to. And ang dami-dami kong nakikita sa mga YouTube na yun nga, sabi maganda yung lipstick na to. But then, lucky for me, when I went to the mall, it's on sale. It's their first day. So, I did grab the chance na nakasale nga siya. So, bumili ako ng... So, wag na nating patagalin para makapunta na kayo sa nearest store and makapurchase na rin kayo kasi sayang, sale pa naman. Okay. And this lipstick na nakuha ko is ito. Dalawang creamy matte lipstick ng Maybelline. Yan. Yung creamy matte browns yata, ano ba? Nude browns. Yan. Sale siya. Nakuha ko siya for a cheaper, way cheaper price kasi yung regular price is $299 but I got mine for only $199. And then itong shade na nakuha ko is this. Nakikita nyo ba yung shade? Yan. Yung shade na nakuha ko is the 657 Nude Nuance and 660 Touch of Spice. Yan. So yung product is, saan ba nakalagay? Oh, see. Kasi guys, hindi ko na makita yung ibang na details na nakalagay kasi masyadong maliliit yon. But I can see here that meron siyang 15 ounce or 4.2 grams ng product. Now, on my lips is the Touch of Spice. Ito, sandali. Touch of Spice. Ito yung Touch of Spice. I-swatch ko na rin. Yeah. Yan yung kulay ni Touch of Spice. Yan. Yan yung nasa lips ko ngayon. Ito naman yung isa is the Nude Nuance. Ito naman yung tsura ni Nude Nuance. So, ito si Nude Nuance. Yan. There. Ano, yan. Yung nasa taas si Touch, si Nude Nuance, and doon nasa baba si Touch of Spice. What I can say about the lipstick is they're worth the hype. Yes, guys, maganda yung lipstick na to, especially this Touch of Spice and the Nude Nuance. Yan. So, Touch of Spice ngayon ang ginagamit ko, guys. Ito siya. Diba? Malakas maldita effect ito. Sandali. Creamy siya. Maganda, diba? Tignan nyo naman, guys, na nakakaganda, diba? So, yon. And the other shade na nakuha ko is si Nude Nuance. Subukan natin si Nude Nuance. Sandali, ha? Burahin ko muna. Yan. Sandali. Baka may natira pa. Tingnan na. Wala na yata. So, ito si 657 Nude Nuance. Yan. Try ko, ha. Sandali. Bear with me kasi alam niyo naman, hindi ako magaling maglagay ng lipstick. So, may kakalat. Alam ko. Yan. So, ito na si Nude Nuance. Yan, yung nasa lips ko. Tapos, nakikita nyo guys, si Nude Nuance naman is parang may shade ng brown. Yung brown niya, napaka, ano ba to? Mas darker siya compare kay Touch of Spice. Kasi si Touch of Spice, tignan nyo. This one, si Touch of Spice, ito si Nude Nuance. So, nakikita nyo, si Touch of Spice is parang pink and si Nude Nuance is parang brown. Nasa brown na talaga siya. Nasa nude na si Touch of Spice. Si Nude Nuance. Okay. So, yung product, the regular price is $299. But, if you have the time na makahabol kayo sa sale kasi if I'm not mistaken, hanggang October 2 lang yung sale. So, I got this for $199. So, gusto ko masubukan nyo rin kasi ito yata yung dalawang shade na always, not naman siguro always, pero parating wala sa ano kasi parating sold out. So, yon guys. I could highly recommend you try this creamy matte nude browns ng ano ba, Maybelline. Yes, cause it's on sale right now for $199. So, guys, ganon. And by the way, this is not sponsored by Maybelline. Okay? I bought this with my own money. Actually, it's not my own money. It's my husband's money. So, yon, be, thank you for sending money to para makabili ako ng lipstick. Salamat. So, guys, salamat sa paglantaw. Halong kamo, and I'll see you next time. Bye!